Hi there! Did you know that hip openers work on much more than just your physiology, but also have a direct impact on our emotion layers and what we hold? If this is something that you'd like to work into, I recommend that you watch the video that I'm taking from the Yin Yoga Academy course in order to teach you how to get into reclining angle pose, reclining butterfly pose, and how to get out of it, and also what you should be paying attention to. Enjoy! So let's take a look at our reclining butterfly pose. You can come on your back and just make sure that your lower back is grounding down. So if needed, you can lift your hips up, push the glutes towards your heels in such a way to flatten the lower back. Once you've done this, bring the feet together, sole of the feet to touch. Slowly, slowly allow the knees to open to both sides. Good. Might be useful for us to use a support under your knees, especially if you're planning to stay there a long time. If you would like to work with gravity, then removing the blocks. And if you'd actually want to work with going deeper in this pose, you could just use your hands to place it onto the inner thighs. And that way, a tiny bit more pressure is added, and therefore it will take you further into open thigh. Good, so this is a more relaxed version of the butterfly pose and is also working with groins and adductors. And ultimately, the only thing that you need to really focus on is to keep the lower back flat as much as you can. And like I mentioned before, if you're planning on staying a long time into these poses, or for a yoga teacher that wants to finish your practice with this pose with your students, then I would really recommend the block support underneath the knees. And if you're finishing the pose, finishing the practice in this pose, then I would even recommend that you go a little bit less than what you're able to do. So you're stretching less and you're relaxing more the sacral area. So we breathe and you can relax and really integrate the rest of the practice that you've been doing. And of course, stay in this pose for as long as you want. And take your time when coming out. It is very recommended and appreciated to use your hands to grab a hold of the back of the thighs and to pull the knees in together slowly, one towards another. Good. So explore, have fun, and take care of your body.